It's the Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, where we learn together, we play together, we explore together, and help each other. Welcome back to Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today, we'll be teaching you kiddos something new. What is it, you ask? Well, it's the word of the week for you kids! What's your word of the week?
I like words!
The word of the week is chrysanthemum! Yay! A chrysanthemum is a pretty brightly colored daisy flower. To help you remember how to say the word chrysanthemum, you can break the word apart like this. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. You can also use it in a sentence like this. Joe and Joey loves to smell chrysanthemums. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the new word you just learned from Joe and Joey. Chrysanthemum or chrysanthemum. If you liked our video, ask your parents to give us a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week